In today's video, my friend Larry Banks and I are going to be leveling some ground for a future build site at my ranch. Larry's operating the Gill R150 skid steer today. For both of us, it's our first time operating one, and the controls are pretty easy to learn. Larry's pretty busy. We'll get him on camera more in a future video. There's no way you can't like this guy. Not too surprisingly, we quickly found out that the hydraulics on the skid steer are excellent, but its ability to push is not quite as great as the Farmall M. When it comes to pushing, this 72-year-old Farmall is kind of embarrassing the skid steer. But the hydraulics on the Farmall with the do-all loader are no match for the hydraulics on the skid steer. Once we got down further, the soil was pretty hard, so I'm going to use the John Deere B and the 44H plow to loosen up the ground so we can keep on pushing. If you follow me on Facebook, you probably saw that I recently got a IH number 39 tumble plow, but I'm sticking with the John Deere 44H because it's normally a lot more reliable for me. But you're about to see we're going to have some issues with it.
Well, I lost a wheel on the plow. Must have a part missing in there or something. I'll have to check it out later. Always something.
Back to the Farmall M, at least I thought.
Ran out of gas. Can you believe that?
Ford 2N to the rescue with my IH disc harrow. I know in my other videos I've mentioned it, but this thing's really cool because it's got a Sherman high-low combo transmission. Look how the clouds have changed. This seems to be how a lot of my videos end out here at the ranch.
Didn't really get finished, but the storm's coming, so I need to get out of here. I don't know. We'll see what we do next. Might just call it good enough, and or might come back and do it again. Who knows? But for now, I need to pack up.
What am I building out here anyhow? You're gonna have to subscribe to me on YouTube and keep watching future videos to see.